In the month of September, I gave an interview to one of my dearest friend Monica in her recent podcast, wherein she asked me what are the courses and certifications required in a data science in order to get into data science. And the very first thing I mentioned to her is to get to know the courses and training resources from companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So why Google, Amazon, and Microsoft and some other big giant companies? Because they have their very own testimonials, and getting a credit and skill badges from these institutions or organizations can help you a lot in when mentioned in your resume. With that being said, video is all about Google's generative AI learning courses. As I already discussed on the Google's introductory learning path, which you can find it here, Google has also launched its advanced version of training resources, and let's get started with more information on that. So many viewers who are watching this video are well and well aware that Google as a organization always are up on the trend, and delivering resources, training resources, labs are some of their main advantages. So with respect to that, generative AI, as world is seeing a lot of newses from generative AI, Google has also started producing their own courses with respect to their tools. So there are two learning paths that are available in Google Cloud Skillset, and the first introductory course, the learning path from Google, is Introduction to Generative AI. So as I already mentioned, I've already made a detailed description or review of that video, wherein I've provided what each courses are. In a brief, I can say that it's a free course, and it takes a total of only 2 hours per day. And finally, after completing this course, you get a skilled badge where you can showcase it in your resume or LinkedIn profile, showing that you have your introductory foundational knowledge regarding generative AI. This course is as a target audience of about beginners to intermediate. A lot of other professions can start registering to this course, from HR to sales or business people, in order to understand how generative AI can be useful and in business, and what are the different use cases as well. So this is all about the introductory course learning path. However, Google has also released the advanced version learning path for generative AI. This is the generative AI for developers. This course is basically for the app developers, data scientists, ML engineers, and ML scientists. However, to take this course, you need to complete the introductory course, which is obviously free, and so as to have the foundational knowledge. So, because obviously this course is an advanced version, this will be following up on several knowledges that you learned from the previous introductory course. That being said, I would like to put a disclaimer here, is that this course is definitely not a free one, it's a paid course. And secondly, you need Google Cloud credits are required for the more advanced technical labs and services like Vertex AI and Generative AI Studio. So now let's get into what are the different courses that's been offered in the advanced learning path for Generative AI Google's course. The first course here mentioned in the Google's website is that the first course is obviously Introduction to Image Generation, and it takes about 1 day, and this is obviously an introductory course. And the second course is all about Attention Mechanism, and this also takes about 1 day, and it's an intermediate course. Obviously, you need a little bit of foundational knowledge to get into this lesson. And the third course is Encoder Decoder Architecture, which takes about 1 day for and 1 day, and it's again an intermediate level. The fourth course is Transformer Models and BERT Model, and this takes around 1 day, and it's an introductory course as well. The fifth course is Create Image Captioning Models. It's a 1 day program and 1 day course and an intermediate level. The sixth course is Introduction to Generative AI Studio, which is again a 1 day course, and it's an introduction level. And the seventh course is Generative AI Explorer, which is using the Vertex AI, and it again takes 1 day, and it's an introductory level. And the eighth course is Explore and Evaluate Models using Model Garden, and this is a 1 hour lab. The final course is another lab session, which says the title is Prompt Design with Palm, and the lab is around 1 hour 30 minutes long. So these are the 9 courses in the advanced version of advanced learning path of generative AI provided by the Google Cloud. However, based on the website that I'm showing you here, these are the amount of credits required to participate on the labs. So, as I've already shown in the picture here, you get 1 credit for attending the Get Started with Generative AI Studio, another 1 credit for Generative AI with Vertex AI Getting Started, and 1 credit for Generative AI with Vertex AI, that's prompt design, and 1 credit for Vertex AI Palm API Quick Start, 5 credit for integrate search in machine applications using Gen AI app builder, and 1 credit for prompt design using Palm, 5 credits for explore and evaluate models using Model Garden. So these are the credits required for attending the technical labs, and so this is all about the advanced version of the learning path for the developers provided by the Google Cloud. And in addition to that, I would also like to emphasize the newly launched resource of Google with in collaboration to deeplearning.ai organization led by Andrew NG. Course is nothing but understanding and applying text embedding with Vertex AI. So the course lets you know or teaches you on various tasks such as classification, outlier detection, semantic search, and text clustering. So the Google has already produced more information about it, and that is a good video which says what are the different use cases or exciting opportunities with text embedding and generative AI. I'll be linking the video in the description box. Do feel free to check out the video as well. So that's all about this video, guys. I hope this video gives you a little bit of understanding what are the courses launched by Google in the area of generative AI. So let me know in the comment section if you are taking up any of these courses, and feel free to subscribe and share it to your friends. Until next video, bye.